Benefits of regular upholstery cleaning. Your furniture is not just a functional element in your home. It also adds beauty and comfort to your living space. However, over time, upholstery can accumulate dust, dirt, and allergens, affecting both the appearance and the air quality in your home. That's why regular upholstery cleaning is so important. 1. Prolongs the lifespan. Regular upholstery cleaning helps extend the lifespan of your furniture. Dust, dirt, and stains can gradually degrade the fabric, causing it to become worn and discolored. Professional cleaning removes these contaminants, preserving the beauty and integrity of your upholstery. 2. Improves air quality. Did you know that upholstery can trap allergens and pollutants? These particles can become airborne when disturbed, leading to poor indoor air quality and potential health issues. Regular cleaning removes allergens, dust mites, and other pollutants, promoting a healthier living environment. 3. Enhances appearance. Over time, dirt and stains can make your upholstery look dull and worn out. Regular cleaning revitalizes the fabric, restoring its original color and beauty. You'll be amazed at the difference a professional upholstery cleaning can make. 4. Eliminates odors. Upholstery can absorb and retain odors from pets, spills, and everyday use. These lingering odors can make your home less inviting. Regular cleaning removes deep-seated odors, leaving your upholstery smelling fresh and clean. 5. Prevents stains and spots. Accidents happen, and spills are inevitable. However, regular upholstery cleaning helps prevent stains and spots from becoming permanent. Professional cleaners use specialized techniques and products to effectively remove stains, keeping your upholstery looking its best. Conclusion. So, what are the benefits of regular upholstery cleaning? Prolonged lifespan, improved air quality, enhanced appearance, odor elimination, and stain prevention are just a few advantages. By investing in regular professional cleaning, you can keep your upholstery looking and feeling great for years to come.